Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And today we're doing a cyborg Halloween costume. We're gonna make it out of tinfoil and glue. Trust the process. So the first thing you're gonna need is a sheet of tinfoil. Then you're gonna need an X-Acto knife and a piece of cardboard to cut on top of. Now if you're not old enough to own or use an X-Acto knife, then you need to get an adult who is old enough to help you. So I also have a dry erase marker, and I'm going to trace out a forehead shape. You want these shapes to be really small because the tinfoil is going to crinkle. So once we trace out our shape, we're going to use our X-Acto knife, and we've got the cardboard underneath, and very slowly cut it out. Right, now we've got our piece, we're going to pop it out. So now that we've got our piece cut out, we're going to surround the perimeter with lash glue. And be very gentle with this because tinfoil will act up. This is just Duo lash glue, and just going around the edge of it. Now, lash glue is safe on your face, so hopefully it's safe on metals. I'll let you know. If you guys didn't know, I did an Emma Chamberlain makeup look inspired by her Met Gala look. And if you also didn't know, I am a coffee addict. Coffee moves you along. Coffee moves you along. Okay, we've got our piece. Now, you do want to cut out like unique shapes because that way you could do all different placements with them. My idea was to put this one here, so I don't want to touch my hair. So I'm going to place it. And it's okay if all the sides don't stick. Just whatever is touching your skin, tap that down. Coffee moves things along. Like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this part to stick and still not crinkle, so that's fine. Oh no, we got makeup on our metal. What are we going to do? All right, let's cut out the next shape. Next, for this cyborg, we need like a face piece right here under the cheek. So I'm gonna cut out probably a triangle. All right, second piece. So actually, I think I'm gonna do the jawline. So we got that popped out. I always put my lid back on my X-Acto knife because I'm one of those people, same with like when you're sewing needles, you might get distracted, get excited about something, forget to come back to it. Lash glue. Now I didn't think about this ahead of time. The fact that I was putting the matted side out and the shiny side facing my skin, but I think that's looking really good. So do whichever you prefer. You can have the matte side out like I have, or you can have the shiny side out like Hey, delicate. It's like I'm serving myself up little. And then just like we did with the top, very lightly press on the edge. Okay, I think, sorry, I stopped talking. You can definitely talk with this on. I'm just being weird. So I think with one more piece, and then I think we'll be good to go. I kind of think if I made this a little bit thinner, it'd rest a little bit better. Okay, one more. Alright, so this last piece is just going to be a triangle shape. Okay, I don't know why I thought my face was as big as it is. Like, it's not. So I had to cut this down quite a bit. This time I'm just doing a tiny Nike piece. Okay, yep, we're still recording. So, this is my attempt at a small piece. Now, the only thing I'm going to do with this look is take it a little step further. Because you guys, you gotta go all out, you know what I'm saying? So we got ruby blue, and you're going to use a brush. And then we're just going to do, I'm going to start with just outlining the eye. Go a little bit lower in the center so that you get that circle. And now that's obviously not red enough, so I'm gonna go in with this red from the KKW palette. I'm gonna go back over this eye with just the powder and see if I can get that darkened up. So this is just a dark red burgundy color. For some reason my Cyborg eye got bigger and bigger. Sending laser beams to you. You know what, I think for a lip we should do like a neutral, you know what we could also do? We could take this essence and highlight that outside of the white just to make it look a little bit more contrast to my skin. You know the other thing we could do, I totally want to do, is add glitter. Need glitter! longest tutorial ever, am I right, guys? So let's just do the lip color. So for the lip, we did this brown lip pencil by NYX in Downtown Beauty, and then we put KKW #1 in the center to do kind of like a 90s ombre lip. And then we put some mascara on, and then this is it. I mean, I wanted this to be like an easy do-it-yourself tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy Halloween, and I love you so much. Here's your forehead kiss.